guys. So we will see types of non-functional testing. So what are types of non-functional testing? Types of non-functional testing. Okay. Types of non-functional testing. Performance testing. Load testing, load or stress testing, usability testing, okay, accessibility testing, accessibility testing. So we will say that types of non-functional testing, which and all will come under non-functional testing now. One is performance testing, one is load stress testing, usability testing and accessibility testing. We will say these are non-functional testing. I hope this video is very helpful.